Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is linguistic landscape. Basically, linguistic landscape of the Karachi city and examples of linguistic borrowing in it. So today we are going to talk about linguistic landscape of Karachi. But first we need to understand what is linguistic landscape. Well, linguistic landscape can be described as linguistic landscape is the language of public road signs, advertising billboards, street names, place names, commercial shop signs, and public signs on government buildings. Or, in other words, we can say the billboards, the posters we see outside, the words written on them, the language that is used there make the linguistic landscape of one territory. So, the question comes to our mind, what is the importance of linguistic landscape? Or, why is linguistic landscape important? The answer could be the languages used in public signs indicate what languages are locally relevant or give evidence of what languages are becoming locally relevant. This is what Sohame Kasanga says. Okay, linguistic landscape is becoming a useful method to understand the evolution of an urban space. Not only this, it also expresses how one language functions in that territory. So, now we are going to discuss about linguistic borrowing. What is linguistic borrowing? Linguistic borrowing is a process by which a word is taken from one language and used in another. The borrowed word is called a borrowed word, or a loan word. Or, in a simple way, we can say that linguistic borrowing is the process of borrowing word from one language to use in another language. Okay. For example, we use many English words in Urdu language. Okay. We'll discuss it later. Okay. We use English words in Urdu language to express our thoughts and ideas fully or completely. Okay, so linguistic borrowing is one of the types of linguistic landscape. We are discussing this type because this type is commonly found in Karachi city and constitute linguistic landscape of Karachi. You will understand this topic more better when we explain you the example. Okay, let's move towards the examples. Examples of linguistic landscape of Karachi. So, the first example we can see is this is the painting on the wall in Karachi, and the words are मैं बड़ा होकर truck बनूंगा. As you can see, the word truck here is not an Urdu word. It is an English word. but here it is written in Urdu language. This is what linguistic borrowing is. Okay. The other example is, this is the main gate of police station, woman police station. Okay. It is written here that woman police station Karachi. As you can see and as you know, the word woman, police, station, all these words are English words. These are not Urdu words, but here these words are written in Urdu language. This is what linguistic borrowing is. Okay, let's move forward. The other example is, it is something written about some commercial center. Okay, office package Ruby commercial center. Office is an English word, package is also an English word, commercial is also an English word, and center is an English word. All these words except Ruby, Ruby is a noun. Okay, all these words are English words, but they are written in Urdu language. These are loan words or borrowed words. Okay, so here we can say this is what we call, it is not billboard, it is a banner of a shop, and it is written here geo printers. Printers is an English word. Okay, composing or designing, composing or designing. Composing is an English word, designing is also an English word, but or is an Urdu word. Here or is not the English one, or. It is an Urdu word, or means and. Okay. Visiting card. Visiting is an English word. Card is also an English word. Pamphlet is also an English word. Bill, book. Both are English words. Panaflex also an English word. Stickers, shadi card. Shadi is Urdu word and card is an English word. Brochure is also an English word. Okay, letterpad. Letter is an English word, pad is an English word. As you can see, the majority words on this banner are belong to English language or belong from English language, but they all are written in Urdu language. So the other example here is the famous biryani house in Karachi, student biryani. Okay, it is written here cafe student in Urdu language. Well, cafe is an Urdu word, student is also an Urdu word. And as you can see, these two words are written in Urdu language. It is also, these words are written in English as well, but they are also written in Urdu language. This is what linguistic landscape of Karachi, and this is the example of linguistic borrowing. A word or words from another language used in another language. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, this is the milk shop. As you can see, this is the milk shop, and it is written here that Ahmed Rajput Milk Shop or shop. Okay, milk is an English word, shop is also an English word, but they they both are written in Urdu language on this banner. Everything is written in Urdu language, and milk and shop is also written in Urdu language. So it is written here as shop. If we pronounce it like we pronounce the Urdu words, we will pronounce it like shop. But in English language, we pronounce it as shop, not shop. Okay, so this is how one language is used in one territory. Okay. The other example we find is कराची बिरयानी. बिरयानी ऑर्डर पर तैयार की जाती है और बिरयानी ऑर्डर पर तैयार की जाती है, but the word order here is an English word, and if we pronounce order in Urdu language the way it is written here, we'll pronounce it as order, but the actual pronunciation of this word is order. So you know, as you can see how the language, English language, functions in Pakistan. Okay, order here is a loan word or a borrowed word. Next, it is written here Difa Pakistan Conference. Conference here is an English word and written in Urdu language, so it is a loan word or borrowed word. Let's move forward. Okay, Al Alim State. State is an English word and written here in Urdu language, so it is loan word or borrowed word. Okay, the other example is Judge Pan Shop. Judge here is an English word, and shop is also an English word, but written here in Urdu language. You can see behind this banner, the other banner is also here with the word house. You can see the word house is also an English word, and it is also written here in Urdu language. So this is how these words make linguistic landscape of Karachi. Okay, it was written on some lab of some ultrasound place where some medical places. Okay, यहाँ हर किस्म का अल्ट्रासाउंड कलर डॉपलर मुफ्त किया जाता है. Ultrasound is an English word, color is also an English word, so these words are loan words, borrowed words, since they are written in Urdu language but they belong to English language. The other example is neurotrauma unit or neurotrauma unit. These are English words and written here in Urdu language. They are loan words. Okay. Avan Builders and Property Advisors. Avan is a noun. Builders is an English word and is a proper English word. Property is also an English word. Advisor is also an English word. The whole sentence is in English language written in Urdu language. So every word here is a loan word or borrowed word. Okay, this is the end of our topic. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.